11th standard, first chapter. First chapter is the topic is set relation functions. Already in previous class, complete the section for sets and relation. Now we have discussed about function. What is function? The basic definition for function is let A and B any two sets. Let A and B any two sets. If function from denoted by f. If function from A to B, function f of A to B is said to be function of A and B. Function of A and B. It is satisfies the following conditions. Satisfies the following conditions. There are two conditions. First one is for all A belongs to A. For all A belongs to A, there is at least one element B belongs to B such that A comma B belong to F. This one is first condition. Second condition is if A comma B belongs to F and A comma C belongs to F, then B equal to C. Then B equal to C is the basic definition for function. We see some examples. Now, so let's consider some example. Let A equal to A, B, C, D and B equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. Then the function from denoted by A and B, A, B, C, D, 1, 2, 3, 4. Function, the f is defined by A to B, where A to 2, B to 1, C to 3, D to 4. This one is f. Is a function. It is clear that function. There are two conditions satisfies this relation. So first one is for all A belongs to A, there exists an element B such that A comma B belong to F. It is meaning that for all A, the domain, it is domain. A is nothing but domain, B is nothing but codomain. Domain, codomain. Every element in domain, there is at least one image in codomain. It's clear that every element A is a image of 2, B is a image of 1, C is a image of 3, D is image of 4. It is called function. Clear that f of A equal to 2, denoted by f of A equal to 2. F of A, f is a function. It is meaning that f is a function mapping A to 2. F of B equal to 1. F is a function mapping B to 1. It is meaning that f of C equal to 3. F is a function mapping C to 3. F of D equal to 4. F is a function mapping D to 4. It is basic definition for function and is a clear example for function. Which one is not a function? Which one is not a function? For example, is A. This one is B. A, B, C, D, 1, 2, 3, 4. A map from 2, B map from 1, C map from 3, D map from 3. It is also a function. It's clear that it is also a function. For example, not a function. What is not a function? A, B, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 3, 4. 1 is mapping from 3, 3 is mapping from 1, 2 is mapping from 4. 4 not mapping in codomain. It is called not a function. It is also function. It is function. It is also function. It is called not a function. Not a function. Because for all, meaning that for all A belongs to A, there exists an element B belongs to B such that A comma B belongs to F. For all, 4 is not an image in codomain. 4, F of 4 not mapping from codomain. So it is not a function. Clear that? Which one is function? Which is also function? It is not function. Clear that? Then the next definition is types of function. What is the type of function? Identity function, constant function, one-to-one function, on-to function, composite function. Both are different types of function. Is clear that? We see that one by one definition for further type of function. So let us see about types of function. First one is identity function, constant function, one-to-one function, on-to function, composite function, and so on. But the syllabus is only for importance for one-to-one function and the on-to function, composite function. We have discussed about in most important for one-to-one, on-to, and composite function. Identity and constant function is a basic concept. So what is identity function? So what is identity functions? Identity function is nothing but F from map. F is a function. Short notes on identity function. F is a function from X to X. Same set. Domain and codomains are same. It is clear that F is a mapping from X to X. So X and domain, X is a codomain. So both are same. It is called identity function. For example, so identity functions, for example, X. Again, X. X is the element of, let us take X equal to 1, 1, 2, 3, 4. So X is 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. It is clear that? So 1 mapping to 1, 2 mapping to 2, 3 mapping to 3, 4 mapping to 4. This is the function. 1 is mapped to same 1, 2 is mapped same 2, 3 mapped same 3, 4 mapped same 4. It is called identity function. Clear that? Same element. Map F is a map from same element. It is called identity function. Clear that? Constant function. So constant function is, second definition is constant function. F is a function from A to B. F is function from A to B, where F of A is mapping only one element for codomain. F of A mapping from only one element. This one is example of identity function. Example of identity function. Second one is, for example, A 1, 2, 3, 4. B A B C D. B. F is a function from 1 is mapping to B, 2 is mapping to B, 3 is mapping to B, 4 is mapping to B. F is also map every element in A. Every element in A mapping to only one element for B. F of 1 equal to B, F of 2 equal to B, F of 3 equal to B, F of 4 equal to B. So it is called constant function. Every element, clear that? Every element in A mapping from only one element. It is called constant function. Example of constant function. Constant function. Clear that? Third one is one-to-one function. So most important definition for one-to-one function. F is a function from A goes to B. F is function from A goes to B. For example, one-to-one function. A, B, 1, 2, 3, 4, A, B, C, D. F is mapped from 1 to C, 2 to B, 3 to A, 4 to D. F is mapped from, F is a map from 1 to C, 2 to A, 3 to B, 4 to A. It's clear that every element in domain, it one is domain. domain, this one is codomain. Every element domain in only one image for codomain. It's clear that only one image for codomain. So f of 1 equal to is a mapping from C. F of 2 is mapped from B. F of 3 mapped from D. F of 4 mapped from A. It is called one-to-one function. Clear that? It is called one-to-one function. Which one is not to one? It is called one-to-one function. Example of one-to-one function. Which one is not one-to function compared to not one-to function? One-to-one function meaning that every element in domain it has only one image for codomain. A, B, 1, 2, 3, 4. A, B, C, D, E. Let us take B for example A, B, C. A is 1, 2, 3, 4. B is A, B, C. 1 map from B. 4 map from also B. 2 map from A. 3 map from C. It is clear that f is a function 1. F of 1 map from B. F of 2 map from A. F of 3 map from C. F of 4 map from also B. It is a function. It's clear that it is function because every element in A mapping to B. It is called function. Clear that? Basic definition for function. Every element in domain it has at least one image for codomain. It is function but not one-to-one function because what is the basic definition for one-to-one function? One-to-one function is nothing but every element in domain it has only one image in codomain. It has only one image in codomain. So it is a function. 1 is a image of C. 2 is image of B. 3 is image of D. 4 is image of A. So it is one-to-one function. But 1 is the image of B. 2 is image of A. 3 is image of C. 4 is image of also B. So 4 is image of also B. So it is not one-to-one function. This one is example for one-to-one function. This one is example for not one-to-one functions. Clear that? The most important for one-to-one function. One-to-one function example for one-to-one, example for not one-to-one functions. Fourth one is on-to functions. What is on-to function? Example of on-to function. It is A is a domain, B is codomain, 1, 2, 3, 4, A, B, C. So 1 is mapped from A, 2 is mapped from B, 4 is mapped from B, 3 is mapped from C. F is function from mapping to 1 is mapped from A. F of 1 mapping to A. F of 2 mapping to B. F of 3 mapping to C. F of 4 mapping from B. So it is called one-to-one function. So It is one domain, codomain. Every element in codomain, there is at least one image in pre-image in domain. It is clear that every element, for all element, it is meaning that for all element in codomain there exists at least only one pre-image of domain. It is called onto function. Clear that onto function, every element in codomain there is at least only one image or pre-image of domain. It is called onto function. Second example, which one is not onto function? Which one is not onto function? A, B, domain and codomain 1, 2, 3, 4, A, B, C, D, E, or A, B, C, D. 1 is mapped from B, 3 is mapped from B, 2 is mapped from C, 4 is mapped from A. 4 is mapped from A is a function. Clear that 1 is mapped from B, 2 is mapped from C, 3 is mapped from B, 4 is mapped from A. There is only one element in codomains of bending. Clear that? So f of 1 mapped from B, f of 2 mapped from C, f of 3 mapped from B, f of 4 mapped from A. It is clear that D is not a pre-image in A. D. So onto function, basic definition for onto function, every element in codomain there exists at least one element pre-image for domain. D is not a pre-image for in A. Clear that D is not pre-image for in A. It is called not onto function. It is not an onto function. First one is example of onto function. Second one is example of not onto function. Clear that? Third one is again one example for AB 1, 2, 3, 4, A, B, C, D, E. 1 is mapped from B, 3 is mapped from A, 2 is mapped from C, 4 is mapped from also D. See the function. F is a function from mapping one element, mapping all element in domain, mapping to codomain. It is called, what is function? Which one is, what is the function for this mapping? This mapping is, first you have to check it one-to-one function or not. One-to-one function, basic definition for one-to-one function, every image in domain there exists at least one image for pre-image for codomain. So A1 is the image of B, 2 is image of D, 3 is image of A, 4 is also image of D. So it is called not one-to-one function. Clear that it is not one-to-one function. Which one is not one-to-one function? Again we have to check it onto function. Basic definition for onto function, every element in codomain there exists at least one pre-image for in domain. So every A is image of pre-image of 3, B is pre-image of 1, C not in pre-image A, D there is 2 pre-image, E not in pre-image. So it is not onto function. Clear that this one is not onto function. So it is one non-2 function. So this function is neither, this function neither 1 to 1 nor onto. This one is neither this function 1 to 1 nor onto. This example for 1 to 1, not 1 to 1 and not onto. Clear that? So last definition for composite function. So what is composite function? What is composite function? F is map from A to B and G is map from B to C and H is map from A to C. It is called composite function. Clear that? F is map from A to B, G is map from B to C and H is map from A to C. It is called composite function for all A map from H. So example for this one is A, B, C. X is A is X, Y. For example, 2 element. B is 1, 2, 3. B is C is A, B. For example, X. F is a function from A to B. F is a function from A to B. So X mapping to 2, Y also mapping to 1. It's clear that is a function, F is a function A to B. G is a function, second function, G is a function B to C. So 1 is function to B, 3 is function to A, 2 is also function to B. This one is G is function to G. Then H is function from, H is a function from A to C. H is function from A to C. So it is denoted by composite function. Therefore, H equal to F composite G of X. F composite G of X. It is called composite function of 3 elements, 3 sets A, B, C. Therefore, X is mapped from 2 to B. So directly X is mapped from B, Y is mapped from 1 to map from B. So Y is directly mapped from B. It is called composite function. After some example, you have to work out some example. You have clear the composite function concept. Clear that? So basic definition, most important for 3 definition: 1 to 1, on to, and composite function. So next class we see sums for example. We have clear that some simple example for 1 to 1 is 1 to 1 function, on to function, constant function, neighbor function. So one by one I will discuss about which one is what is function. X is domain, Y is codomain, F is function from already defined as F is function from 1 to A, 2 to C, 3 to E, 4 to B. This function is what type of function? 1 to 1, on to, or constant function or identity function. We have checked it. First one is X. X is the domain. X is domain and Y is codomain. So X is the element for 1 to 3, 4. Y is an also element for A, B, C, D, E. F is a function mapped from 1 to A. Defined as F is 1 to A. 1 to A. 2 to C. 2 to C. And 3 to E. 3 to E. 4 to B. 4 to B. This one is what type of function? So basic definition for function: every element in domain there is at least one image in codomain. So every element 1, 1 is image of A, 2 is image of C, 3 is image of B, 4 is image of B, 3 is image of E. So also every element in domain it has image of codomain. So it is function. First you have to check it is function or not. So it is function. It's clear that it is function. Second one is what type of function. Clear that it is function. Second one is what type of function. So what type of function? It is one-to-one function. Clear that it is one-to-one function. So because 1 is the image of A, 2 is image of C, 3 is image of E, 4 is image of B. So every element there is a unique image, only one image. So it is one-to-one function. One-to-one function. You have to check it onto or not. It is one-to-one. It's clear that one-to-one function. I have to another one type of function onto. Check it onto or not. So onto function, the basic definition for onto function, the definition also recall it. Every codomain, for all element in codomain, there is at least one pre-imaging domain. There exists at least one pre-imaging domain. So A is the image of 1, B is image of pre-image of 4, C is pre-image of 2, D not in pre-image of X, E is pre-image of 3. So it is one-to-one function but not onto. Clear that one-to-one function but not onto function is the first example for one-to-one and onto function. We have discussed about second problem. Second example. X is a domain 1, 2, 3, 4. Y is codomain A to B. F is function from already defined as 1 to A, 2 to A, 3 to A, 4 to A. So we have to write down the domain X. X is domain 1, 2, 3, 4. Y. Y is codomain A, B. F is function from 1 to A. 1 to A. Again 2 to A, 3 to A, 4 to A. F is function from 1 to A, 2 to A, 3 to A, 4 to A. This one is what type of function? This function is what type of function? First you have to check it function or not. Yes, it is a function because all the element in domain they have say only pre-image or codomain. So okay, clear that 1 is image of A, 2 is image of A, 3 is image of A, 4 is image of A. It is constant function. Every element is a only for single image. Is a constant function. It is constant function. It is constant function. Again check it one-to-one or not. Have to one-to-one? It's not one-to-one function because one-to-one function meaning that every element in only single image. But 1 is image of A, 2 is image of A, 3 is image of A, 4 is image of A. All the element only one single image. So it is not one-to-one. It is not one-to-one function. Again we have to check it onto or not. Onto meaning that every codomain, every element in codomain there is pre-image of domain. A is pre-image of 1, 2, 3, 4. At least one pre-image. More than one pre-image are accepted. At least one pre-image. A is pre-image but B not in pre-image. So it is not onto. It is not one-to-one. It is not onto. It is not onto function. So what are another name is this function is neither one to one nor onto. This function is neither one to one nor onto. Then third example. We discuss about third example. X is domain, y is codomain. X is function from 1 to element from 1 to 3 4. Y is element in A. 1 mapping to A, 2 mapping to A, 3 mapping to A, 4 mapping to A. F is a function mapping A. Check it. This one is what type of function? First we have to check it is function or not. Yes, it is a function. For example, for clear that for all element in domain, there is only at least one image in codomain. So it is a function. Second one is what type of function? It is constant function. First one is constant function because every element mapping single element in A. F of 1 mapping to A, F of 2 mapping to A, F of 3 mapping to A, F of 4 mapping to A. So it is constant function. Constant function. Second one is one to one or not. Basically it is not one to one function because every element in single image. So it is not one to one. It is not one to one function. It is not one to one function. Third one is check it is onto or not. The basic definition for onto for all element in codomain. It is codomain. This one is domain. For all element in codomain, there exists at least one pre-image in domain. A is only one element for codomain. There exists only one pre-image. More than one pre-image are accepted. So it is onto. It is onto function because all element mapping to pre-image in X. Clear that? First one is one to one function but not onto. Second one is neither one to one nor onto. It is one to one, not one to one, not onto. Third one is it is not one to one onto function and then also constant function. Clear that? Some more than three another example for remaining type of sums. Fourth example is X is domain. X is from 1 to 3 4. Y is from A B C D E. F is the function from define on 1 comma A, 2 comma C, 3 comma B, 4 comma B. This one is what type of function? We have checked it 1 to 1 on 2 or some more other types. So X is Y is another codomain. So X is function the elements from 1 to 3 4. Y is element from A B C D E. F is function from 1 to A. F is mapping to 1 to A, 2 to C and 3 to B. 4 1 is 4 to B. 4 to also B. This one is what type of function? This one is what type of function? First we have to check it is function or not. It's clear that what is basic definition for function? Every element in domain there exists at least one image of codomain. So 1 is image of A, 2 is image of C, 3 is image of B, 4 is image of B. So it is function. First one is it is clear that function. After that it is what type of function? We have to check it. First one is one to one function. It is one to one function. We have to check it 1 to 1. 1 is A, 2 is C, 3 to B, also 4 to B. Two elements of same pre-image. So it is not 1 to 1. It is not 1 to 1 function. It is not 1 to 1 function. You have to check it onto meaning that every element in codomain. Every element codomain there exists at least one pre-image for domain. So A is pre-image of 1, B pre-image of 3, C pre-image of 2, D not in pre-image, E not in pre-image. So it is not on 2. It is not on 2. So finally we have to write the wording. It is neither. It is neither nor. It is neither 1 to 1 nor onto function. It is neither 1 to 1 nor onto function. Clear the fourth one. Again, fifth one is we have to check it. Domain X, codomain Y. X is element from 1 to 3, 4. Y is element from A, B, C, D. Function 1 mapping to A, 2 mapping to C, 3 mapping to D, 4 mapping to B. This one is first we have to check it. It is function or not. It is function for all element mapping in, for all element image in codomain. So one is the element of A, 2 B, 3 D, 4 B. It is clear that. So every element in image codomain. So it is 1 to 1 and on to function. It is 1 to 1, 1 to 1 and on to function. Fifth example is 1 to 1 and on to function. Sixth one is, sixth one we have to check X, Y. X is element from 1 to 3, 4. Y is an element from A, B, C, D. 1 mapping to A, 2 mapping to C, 3 mapping to C, D, E, 3 mapping to E. F is a function from 1 to mapping to A, 2 mapping to C, 3 mapping to E. It is function or not. It is function or not. First we have to check it. It is function. Function, basic definition for function. Every element in domain. Every element in domain. At least one pre-image in codomain. So one is image of A, 2 is image of C, 3 is image of E, 4 not in image of codomain. So it is not function. Clear that it is not a function. It is not a function. So it is only relation. It is only relation, not a function, but it is relation. Clear that? So basic definition for function: one-to-one function, on-to function, and composite function. Some example for this type of function. I have to clear understand for this example, and we have to discuss about. Write down any function for you. Write down any function for you for given example, one-to-one or on-to. Write down the one-to-one function or on convenient. We choose the domain, codomain. We have to discuss about the some problem. Clear that? Thank you. Next class.